Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. So what you have to do is open your web browser, make sure that you are connected to the internet first, and open the search engine and search for the PairDrop website. Once you find it, PairDrop.net, open it. And here, to link your phone to this laptop, click the link icon right here, and then either open the same website on your phone, open the link, click on the link icon on your phone, and then input this code that you can see in front of you on your phone into this field, or simply scan the QR code using your phone's camera, which I find way more convenient than the first option, so I'm gonna do it this way. Oh, okay. Once again, I accidentally pressed escape. Okay, so just scan the QR code, then open the pop-up on your phone, and you will be connected directly to this session, to this laptop. And as you can see, I can already find the phone on my laptop's screen, and I can also find the laptop's icon on my phone screen. So right now I just have to select the file on my phone that I want to send, and then click add, and then accept the file on my laptop, then wait until it downloads, and then the file is downloaded to the laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.